Hello everybody and welcome to a new draw along video. In today's draw along video we will be drawing a character from films such as Whisper of the Heart and The Cat Returns. Yes, we are going to draw Baron Humbert von Gikkingen, a very noble and great character to draw really. Speaking of cats, I want to make a shout out to Ari Kinnunen from Finland who made the suggestion of drawing this cat here. And go check out his YouTube channel because he uploads some fantastic drawings and he makes comics. I hope you enjoyed this draw along video, and as always you just need a piece of paper and a pencil. Alright folks, the Baron is wearing a top hat, so why not begin at the top? An upwards curve, 2 lines down each side, a line that curves the opposite way, and once more, so we have the headband. The brim of the hat goes like this. Then for the pointy ears. 1 on each side, and it doesn't matter if they look differently, that's alright. We have a bit of fur in the inside and an edge that kind of echoes the shape of the ear really. In order to get some symmetry for the face, we can start by drawing down 2 lines from here and here. The chin is like an opposite triangle, just soft in the top. Now for the eyes, and if you've seen my cat draw along lately, you know how to go. Notice there's a strong diagonal from the corner of the eye to the outside of the eye. And at the pupils, notice that the pupil touches the upper part, but not the lower part of the eye. My Baron is looking slightly to our sides. If you want to make him look straight at the viewer or you, place the pupils more towards the middle of the face. The nose is located about 1/3 from the bottom of the chin. And for the mouth, how much should he smile, you might ask? Well, it's up to you. I like to keep the quite mystical, serious and very cat-like expression that he kind of already has in The Cat Returns. A couple of whiskers, and just a few lines in the forehead here that indicates fur. Okay, now for the body. We start out easy with the fancy suit here. And as you go along here, the more you can see this as just a pattern of straight and curved lines, the easier it is to follow along. These are the flippers of his blazer. Just a couple of straight lines in a pattern. There's nothing more to it. and a cute little button to finish off. So now for the blazer. This is a bit difficult, but I am sure that you can do it. We start out with a curve that ends in a sharp tip. Then we have a swooping line that goes away from the body. And 2 bumps, 1, 2, which ends at the sleeve here. We then continue back up into the crease of the armpit. A small fold here. Voila. There we go. The other side is easier as we will hide his arm behind the back. Down there and fold. And then we can end off the blazer here like this. Perfect. Now the hand rests on a cane. So let's start with the thumb part. We have the index finger, and here we pause, because now we draw in the cane. Has this round kind of handle, and from here you go diagonal down, straight diagonal. A cane is very seldomly being held straight, and it creates a nice composition. Just add in a couple of fingers behind here. Here comes my favorite part, the large trousers with pleats. His front leg crosses over the back in a diagonal. It's great if you can create these little bumps, because they show the way the pants fold. End down here goes out towards us. Up again. There we go. Now the front shoe is foreshortened, so the shape of it looks really weird. Now we're completely warmed up for the other leg. Just like the arm, it's hiding behind the other leg here. Catches up again around here. And then the other shoe, just the heel and the tip of the shoe can be seen. Actually, I've made a mistake here, because it seems that his front shoe is kind of on top of his back shoe. But you know what? Let's just call it a stylistic choice. This was on purpose, everyone. So, colors. If you will, you can use the pencil to color in parts of the Baron. For instance, the things on him that are already gray, because then we can just start by using our pencil really. I use more pressure on the headband to show that it's dark gray, likewise on the cane and shoes. But his pants and suit are a light gray, so here I use lighter pressure. And one final thing I just sneak in here at the end. Just 2 lines that just communicate this mouth area of the Baron. Also, as you can tell, I have been struck by inspiration and chose to draw in some cobblestones inspired by a scene where I also found my color inspiration. You can of course choose to add additional color with either color pencils or markers or whatever you have. And here I'm a bit lazy trying something else. I do some digital coloring here. inspired by these colors that he's wearing in the film The Cat Returns. The pattern here in the face is quite characteristic for the Baron. This is a kind of warm orange. For the rest of the face, I use a kind of very soft yellow. A lime green for the eyes, and a pink for the ears. This was so much fun. I hope you feel the same. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and until next time, have fun drawing.